So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect. And then one over here. Whoa, wow, don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!